Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Gmail in a desktop browser and signing in. Once signed in, begin an immediate targeted search. The search field doesn't accept true rejects, so type 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 or 9 to surface messages containing digits. Make sure Conversation View is set to what you prefer. Turning it off makes per-message actions simpler. This first step pulls every thread with numbers, so you can act in bulk rather than scanning manually. Once results appear, select the top checkbox and then click the link that selects all conversations that match the search so nothing is missed. You can then delete or archive in bulk or apply a temporary label to isolate them. If you must remove numbers from the message bodies, open a sample message, click forward, manually delete digits, then save as a draft or send the cleaned copy to yourself. Alternatively, copy content into Google Docs for a find and replace deleting digits before returning it to Gmail. This reduces manual repetition. To finish, run the same 0 or 1 or 2 or 9 search again to confirm no messages with digits remain. Make sure to repeat in all mail, spam, and any label folders because filters or archive rules can hide items. If something went wrong, restore from trash within 30 days or use your Google Takeout backup if you created one beforehand. If filters reintroduce numbers, edit or disable those filters. One key troubleshooting tip. If search misses items, expand to include quoted forms and attachments, then reprocess.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.